How to enable backup codes on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable backup codes on your Roblox. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, open up your Roblox. You can go to your roblox.com, make sure you're logged in into your account, and then tap on the settings or the gear icon on the top right. After that, head over to settings, and after the setting loads up, you'll find on the left tab bar something called the security. Tap on security, and after you do that, scroll down and there you'll find the backup codes. So what this does is this generates and use backup codes in case you lose your access to two-step verification option. So you can tap on the generate option to generate the backup codes. So there you can see the 10 backup codes will be invalid when new ones are generated. So tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, just go to the two-step verification. And after you go through that, you'll find 10 backup codes available for you. Now make sure that you do not share the backup codes with anyone, or else they will have the access to your Roblox account. So that's how you enable backup codes on your Roblox. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.